Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the design tab of the Microsoft Office Word. So let's start with the first option which is given here. There are variety of themes which are available in this document. So I'm just going to check each and every theme just by passing through this theme and placing my cursor on that theme. You can check the variety of colors, fonts which where you can easily select the theme whichever you would like to use. You can also create your own theme and save the current theme. There is also an option if you would like to add the theme to the quick access toolbar also. Next one is the document formatting. There are a variety of options which are available whichever you would like to use in this document. Next option is of colors. Okay, is of colors. You can select the color options whichever you would like to use. Next one is the option for fonts. Okay, for example, I will select custom fonts in which there are Consolas font and Comic Sans fonts are used. Next, if I am selecting custom fonts too, where I had created the fonts of Caveat Brush and Articulate fonts. Okay, next, if I am going to select the Office font, where in this case Calibri Light and Calibri fonts are used, this is how my document will look. Now, in the case of paragraph spacing, you can also go for no paragraph spacing or compact or tight, whichever you would like to use. Okay, whichever, or you can also go for double, relaxed, or even you can place your own paragraph spacing. So this paragraph spacing is similar to the function in the home tab, where in the paragraph you have line and paragraph spacing options. It is similar to it. Okay, continuing with the design tab, you can add effects if you want to add. Okay, right now I'm not going to add any effects. Okay, next one is the page background options. In the watermark, you can add watermark. Let's say I want to add this confidential watermark. You can see here I have added the confidential watermark. Now you want to add your own watermark, then click on watermark and select the custom watermark. So now instead of confidential, I will just write microbiology. Okay, I have just written the microbiology. Now please select the font you would like to use. So for example, let's select Comic Sans MS. Size, you can please select auto if you don't know how to use different size options. Next, color, let us keep black and untick the semi transparent. Okay, and just click on apply and close. So this is how my watermark looks. Now if you want to edit, again go for custom watermark. Okay, select the black, select transparent, semi transparent. Let us check what happens if I select semi transparent. So you can see that it has the font color has basically washed out. Next, again in the custom, I'm again going for a black. Now what happens if I select horizontal? You can see how my watermark will look like. Now I'm going to use picture watermark. Just select picture which you have downloaded, or you can search online also. I'm going to use the image which I have downloaded, for example this word image again. Okay, click on OK. So this is how my watermark will look. Now again I am going for custom watermark and untick the washout option and click on OK. So this is how my watermark will look now. Okay, next I am going to remove the watermark which I had added. Now if you want to create a page border, okay, there are also color options and page border. So page color option, simply you can see whichever color page color you would like to add. You can choose your own option, or fill effects if you would like to add. Okay, so let us start with the two color options and click on OK. So these are two color options. You can change the color also. Right now I'm going to choose the no color. Please practice with different combinations, okay, of the fill effects. There are variety of combinations. You can also use the texture options, pattern options, or even the picture options if you would like to use. Right now I'm going to remove all the colors. Next option is of page borders. In the page borders, first select the box border and select the style which you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this style and just click on OK. Okay. Now, next, I'm again going to select box borders and click on OK. Okay, this is how this page border works. Next, I want to increase the width of my border and click again OK. It will increase the width of that border. Next, if we want to add art, for example, I'm going to select this and click on OK. You can use art options also, or if you want to use now shadow options, you can use shadow options also. I have not selected shadow options right now. Okay. Okay. Next, there are also custom options which if you would like to use, and there are also further advanced options. You can select here whole document, section, first page, whatever you want to use, and you can measure the border of your choice. So what happens if I change the border? Let's set it to 36 everywhere and click on OK. So it has given that it should be between 0 to 31. Why? Because I have used a specific margins here. So I'm going to decrease the margins to 5 on each sides. Now check how this is how my document will look. Okay. So if you want to go for shading, you can also go for shading options. Okay. Or if you want to remove, just click on none and click on OK. Okay, that's all for this video.